Hello dear children, I welcome you in today's English class where we are going to start a reported speech of command and request. Dear children, in our syllabus, command, request, questions and statements, these three are there in our syllabus and already we have completed the other two. So today we will deal in this video about the reporting orders and request. See, when we want to report an order or request, we can use a verb like tell with to clause. He told me to go away. The pattern is verb plus indirect plus object plus to clause. The indirect object is the person spoken to. Other verbs used to report orders and requests in this way are command, order, warn, ask, advise, invite, beg, teach and forbid. Now, maybe the things are not clear with this. Now I am going to elaborate it so that you will be able to follow it completely. See beta, as the sentence says, the doctor said me, stop smoking. So this is the order. The doctor told me to stop smoking. So one thing you need to confirm that in such questions you are not joining the sentences with that but to stop smoking. If it is get out of the car, said the policeman. The policeman ordered him to get out of the car. So the sentence is connected with to and the first form of the verb will come. Now the other example, this is the request example. Could you please be quiet? So this is the request. She asked me to be quiet. So she asked me and what to do? To be quiet. So this way you will do these questions, a command and request. Likewise, the man with the gun said to us, don't move. The man with the gun warned us not to move. So dear children, how you will identify whether it is a command or a request? A request where please is mentioned and verb will come at the first. You will get to know that it is a command imperative sentence. Command and request sentences are called imperative sentences and here verb come at first. And you are connecting these sentences in indirect narration by to or not to. Some more examples you will solve here. Can I have an apple? She asked. She asked for an apple. Or you can make it like this, that she asked, see, can I have an apple? Actually, you can consider it as a yes-no type question as well. So, if she could have an apple, if you are doing this question like this, then also it is correct. Next is, can I have the newspaper please? He asked for the newspaper. This way, may I have a glass of water? He said, he asked for a glass of water. Sugar please? She asked for the sugar. Could I have 3 kilos of onions? This can be if she could have 3 kilos of onion, then also it is quite right. And this way also he asked for 3 kilos of onions. So dear children, I hope you all have followed it. So these three, first statement sentence you will solve, question answers and then command and request. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.